Quality is the bedrock of an enterprise and also the cornerstone of an industry's sustainable development. Huawei Digital Power has established the Global Delivery Operations Center, ensuring the efficient network access of devices to achieve a greater yield. 3 major service centers, China, Romania, Mexico, cover service delivery scenarios such as data center facility, PV, energy storage, and charging network. Provide 24/7 uninterrupted support and quick responses. Over 70% of the technical experts have 10+ years of experience in electromechanical engineering. 1,000+ delivery scenario cases, continuously training AR, AI large models to quickly identify and solve problems. Wizard-based operation guides and standards help homogenize operations. Building a quality indicator system covering 4 categories, including qualification, environment, operation, and EHS. Drive the improvement of delivery service quality through continuous operations exposure. Digital delivery management. Realize standard operations. Online problem handling and visualize progress through the Power Partner digital service platform, enabling service partners in efficient and high-quality delivery and ensuring Huawei's service consistency. Delivery Operations Center-based continuous operations reduce common delivery quality issues by 76% and increase the first-time pass rate to 95%. By optimizing technology plus process plus organization operations, Delivery Operations Center will continuously improve the delivery efficiency and quality of service partners based on a quality supervision system. Huawei Digital Power Services Delivery Operations Center, your trustworthy, high-quality delivery assurance expert.